Well, what do we have here? Thanks for watching, guys. So we just got this from StarknightMT. It's a rear windshield that they've hooked me up with. Thanks for reaching out, guys. I'm super excited about this. We're gonna open it up here. We're gonna go through the instructions. Let's install it. All right, guys, I took off the protective film, and I've got to say there's not a single scratch on here. It looks awesome. I think first things first, we're gonna put a sticker on. So I asked my little girls which ones they liked best. They liked this one. It's pretty sharp. Love the tint. Especially when you're looking in your rearview mirror and you got the sun at your back, this is going to be minty. So obviously step one, took off the protective film, and now we're going to install the gasket. So we're going to make sure that is facing the proper way. The window appears to be universal in the way you put it. However, there is a sticker already on it from factory. So I would like that sticking out, so that will be the exterior window. Let's get that going. Okay, so I got the lower and the upper brackets. The upper one's the handles, hardware. So we're gonna do step 3. Install 3 handles and rotate handles to the unlocked position as shown. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you're gonna need an Allen key, number 4. And then you are going to need a 10 mil. Let's get this. Lock it in a position very tight to the right. Okay, so now we're going to do the lower brackets. They're going to be on the same side as the locking handles. So here we have, we're going to go right here. Number 4, install 4 lower panel brackets on the same side as the hand knobs. And then we're going to do step 5, get my thumb out of there. Lower panel brackets in the vehicle frame, then tip the upper edge forward into the ROPS. All right, let's get this. All right, that's looking good. Now let's slap her in, see how she fits. I like it. Nice and tight, it's solid. Let's take this thing for a little ride. Alright, this is super cool. I love that it's tinted. We do a lot of night riding, and everyone's got light bars nowadays, including myself, and there is nothing cool about being blinded at night. Let's go for a ride. Let's give you guys a quick look here. Like, the seal is good. I really like this seal all around. And I'm also a very big fan of the fact that when it comes to summer, if I want, all I have to do is take them out. Lose the window. No tools, nothing. So that is a huge pro for me. Very awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Starknight, for hooking me up. I much appreciate it. And I wasn't expecting a tinted one, so I'm extra excited. And I highly recommend that you guys take a look at Starknight. They've got some pretty good stuff. It's well priced, and it's high quality in my opinion. So have a good one. Take care.